up guys, and welcome back. Today's tutorial is going to be an interesting one, and it's on how to cut a basic bustier. A basic bustier is like the building block of any bustier you want to cut. You would want to cut anywhere in the world. It's easy to cut, it's easy to sew, and I know that if you know how to cut a basic bustier, which is more like a simple bustier, you can cut any bustier in the world. So if you want to learn how to cut a basic bustier and become a superhero when it comes to sewing bustiers, keep watching.
Ruler and office pen, I think a chalk too. Then I stretched my fabric open. After that I folded into two, and I took 1.5 inches for my zip allowance. I did that across the entire length of that side of the fabric. When I was done with that, I used my ruler to connect my markings. I drew a straight line. Then I folded the fabric and secured a pin. When I was done with that, I then folded the fabric into two again, making it 4 parts representing the front bodies and the back bodies. From the center of my dress, I took 4 inches as my in-between, that's my nipple to my nipple. I did that across the entire length of the fabric. Then I connected it with a straight line. After that, I put my tape and I extended it by 5 inches, representing the upper part of the body that's not there. From there, I marked my nipple, my shoulder to nipple point at 10 inches and my shoulder to underbust point at 14 inches. Mind you, I added half inches to both my shoulder to nipple point and shoulder to underbust. Half an inch rather. So at my underbust, I took 3/4 of an inch on one side, and I also took 3/4 of an inch on the other side. I went to the bottom of the piece and I did the same thing. When I was done with that, I drew a straight line connecting both points. So from my underbust, I drew sort of a triangle to my nipple point, and I did this on both sides. Now I want to take my time to explain why I extended the tape by 5 inches. This bustier I started from at about my breast region, above my breast region. So that 5 inches, I extended the tape to show it's like the upper part of the body that's not there, which you could replace with a strap or some mesh fabric or another fabric. But I just said that I'm putting this in so that you will know why I did that. So at the top of my fabric, I took half an inch on one side, and I did that at the other side too. With my ruler, I just sort of an inverted triangle. And I did this on both sides. I was done with this, I erased 2 parts of the 4 folds of the fabric representing my front bodies, and I just cut through, following my lines. When you're doing this, you take your time, so those points would be cut at the exact places. Like, you be careful so that when you get to those triangular points, you have to like give them a sharp cut, so you have to do this carefully. So this is just how you cut the front part of a bustier, basic bustier. I'm moving on to the back part now. What I did here was remove the centerpiece of the front bodies, and I sort of traced the back part on the front part, the front part on the back part, but not exactly the full tracing. On the front part, from the front part, I used the slant as a guide, but getting towards my waist region, I just drew a straight line because it's not supposed to be curved like that. It's supposed to be sort of straight. By the time you pick your dart, it will form that groove at the back. So this is what I did, and I just used my straight line to emphasize a line more. My ruler rather, to draw a line to emphasize it more. When I was done with that, I just simply cut. Cutting the back part is always very easy. It doesn't take so much time. So when I was done with that, I flipped it to the other side. Back part is ready. This is what it looks like. Yeah, like this. And this is what the front part looks like. Bonus tip: if you want to give your bustier sort of a shape, this is what you do. I wanted to this bustier, I wanted to look a little curved around the center part, and yeah, just something shapy. So depending on the kind of shape you want, you could do something like this. I just took 1 inch downwards on both sides of the front bodies. So this is I'm working with the front part here. All I did was I used a ruler, and I drew a rather straight line, a slanted straight line, like not a straight line, a slanted line. If I didn't do this, the bustier was going to come out just straight around above my bust. But with this, it will have a sort of, let's say, sweetheart shape, something like that. Then when I was done with that, I just simply cut. Then for the back part, I use just the side of the front bodice, and I use this as a guide to shape the sides of the back bodice, if you understand what I mean. So this is what the back looks like, and this is what the front looks like.
I'm sure you enjoyed today's tutorial and you found it really helpful. So please click the like button and let me know, what do you think about what I said earlier on. I said if you know how to cut a basic bustier, you can cut and sew any bustier in the world. If you think what I said is true, let me know in the comment section. If you think what I said is not true, it is false, let me know in the comment section. If you are somewhere in between, let me also know in the comment section. I want to know your thoughts about this so that I can clarify myself better. And please, what are you waiting for to subscribe to this channel? Like, please subscribe to this channel for sewing tricks, sewing tips, sewing tutorials, and your life will never remain the same. Like, don't mind me, just make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.